Hey, good morning from hot southern Nevada. Hey, today we're going to do a review on the Fedro 22 long rifle shot shells. So, let's get started. Alright, so what we're going to do right now, we're going to take a look at this ammo. And I have 3 guns with me, 2 revolvers and a lever action rifle. We're gonna shoot this stuff through and see how effective it is. So let's take a look at this box here. Fedro 22 long rifle small game, number 12 lead birdshot, 25 grains. And of course this is made in the USA. Alright, let's open this box up, see what we got here. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, I like the crimped case. You know, CCI uses a plastic capsule, and now CCI ammo is good, but those little capsules tend to break open sometimes, and you can spill the contents into your firearm, which is not good. So yeah, I think I do like these crimped cases much better. And this is what these cases look like after they've been fired. So seriously, what good is this ammo, and what can I use it for out here in the desert? Well, I'll tell you what, we have all kinds of critters out here. Now, being a desert, of course, we got plenty of snakes. Oh, we have blister beetles. Check this out. Yes, indeed, you will get blisters from these little guys. Now, how do I know you can get blisters from these blister beetles? Trust me, I read it online. Oh, thank you. We have scorpions out here. We have giant grasshoppers. We have mice. And we have rats. Oh, I almost forgot. We have zombies and gold mines out here. Yeah, you better be afraid. Hey, let's take a look at my 3 guns. I have a Ruger Wrangler. This is a nice little plinker. The barrel length on this is about 4 inches and it holds 6 rounds. I have an old H&R. This is a model 949. This is a double action and single action revolver. Barrel length on this one is 5 inches. And this one was made in 1980. And last but not least, one of my favorite guns, Browning BL-22 lever action. Really like this gun. I've had this over 20 years. I've done numerous reviews on it. Just a great shooting rifle. So, you know what? Let's get some targets set up and start shooting and see what happens. All right, I'm going to shoot the Wrangler at 12 feet, and then we'll go down and take a look at the target. All right, let's go take a look at that. Yeah, that's pretty widespread here. All right, 6 feet. Well, that was much better. Most of them right in here. All right, you know what? Just for the heck of it, right in here, about 2 feet. Oh yeah, look at that. H&R, 12 feet. Looks like about the same pattern, but we'll go take a look. You know, that's large enough to take down maybe a dove or a small bird. All right, we're going to shoot that bottom target at 6 feet. Oh, that's not too bad. Yeah, so not bad at all. 6 feet versus 12 feet. Hey, why not? That will get your attention. All right, the rifle, 25 feet, 1 round, and then we'll go down and see what it looks like. Yeah, that's bad. All right, yeah, definitely not effective at 25 feet. All right, let's fire 1 round at 12 feet. Yeah, pretty big pattern at 12 feet out of that rifle. Those pellets, they hit the rifling and they just spin and they just go everywhere. All right, next we're going to try 6 feet. I'm going to go ahead and fire 3 rounds just to make sure they're going to cycle through this okay. So 3 rounds at 6 feet. Uh-oh. Well. That's got a double feed there. I'm going to have to clear that, so I'll be right back. All right, I finally got it cleared. It took a while, but I got it. So let's try 3 more rounds. Yeah, I think that first time I just didn't rack that strong enough, but it's okay. You know what? Let's start having some fun. This is boring. Hey, look! A snake! He's dead. Ah! Should have put more rounds in it. Oh, what the heck. All right, these Federal shot shells, are they effective? Yeah, out to 5 or 6 feet. Past that, I don't think I would trust them, but there you have it. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching my video. We'll see you next time. Yeah. And thanks for watching.